Hi, I'm Holly. Thanks for joining me. Today, I'd like you to think about life insurance in a way you've never thought about it before. Imagine having life insurance you don't have to die to use. That's right, life insurance that can pay you benefits while you're still living. Now, understanding how different life insurance policies work can sometimes be complicated. But the basic idea of life insurance is simple. It's an excellent way to protect your family. Quality of Life Insurance, a modern, affordable suite of products developed by American General Life Insurance Company, allows you to use your life insurance in many different ways and in circumstances you may have never thought possible. We all have choices in how we provide what's important for our families, but knowing which choice is best can sometimes be a tough decision. For instance, think of a family with an annual household income of $75,000. After taxes and deductions for things like 401k contributions and medical insurance, they probably bring home about $4,500 a month. Most of this, or about $3,500, will be spent on necessities such as the house or rent payment, utilities, groceries, car payments, and other important expenses. That leaves about $1,000 to spend on necessities like auto and homeowners insurance or other things families have come to depend on, like cable TV, internet access, or cell phones. After setting aside any money for family fun events like eating out, participating in team sports like dance or soccer, or even saving money for family vacations, there isn't much money left over. Most families would only have about $100 left to spend on life and disability insurance, critical illness, and long-term care. Typically, this family would need to spend about $400 a month or more to address their insurance needs. Yet remember, they only have $100 left to spend. Now, the challenge they face is how to stretch those dollars. Because of their limited funds, they'll likely go without coverage they know they need and gamble on which situation might occur first. But what if they bet on the wrong outcome? What if they choose life insurance over critical illness insurance, only to see a family member diagnosed with invasive cancer? What if the primary breadwinner of the family becomes disabled and can't work, but they hadn't bought disability insurance? How will they pay their bills? Families shouldn't have to sacrifice one goal to pay for another, but that's exactly the situation people are facing today. In fact, a study found that while Americans believe life insurance is more important than ever, 3 in 10 households carry no life insurance at all, and half of U.S. households believe they are underinsured. At American General Life, we believe you shouldn't have to gamble with your family's financial security. We've discovered that one choice really can be the right choice. The answer is quality of life insurance.
I just don't think that anything like this exists out there that covers so many different what-ifs, because usually you need a separate policy for every what-if, and that's just too much to keep up with, which is exactly why I only have one of my what-ifs covered, and that's death. I don't have any of my other what-ifs covered. So I think that's why quality of life insurance is so good, is it covers more than just one under one policy. That's it.
What makes quality of life insurance different? Well, at its core, it's safe and secure life insurance that will protect your family against financial hardship if you should die too soon. But quality of life insurance goes a step further by protecting you and your family with accelerated benefit riders that are automatically included at no cost to you. The idea behind an accelerated benefit rider is actually quite simple. As we know, accelerate means to speed up or to cause something to occur sooner than expected. Under certain conditions, this rider allows you to accelerate the payment of your life insurance benefit, which means you can use your life insurance proceeds before your death. Dealing with a major illness or condition is not only stressful to your well-being, but it can also cause a serious strain on your finances. Quality of life insurance was developed to help offset that strain. Now, here's how it works. To receive your accelerated benefits, you must have what we call a qualifying event. As an example, that could mean a major heart attack, invasive cancer, a stroke, or any of the covered illnesses listed here. Just imagine how important it could be to have access to your life insurance benefits at a crucial time like this. Accelerating your death benefit so you could have money when it really matters could make a huge difference in your quality of life. Quality of life insurance can also provide you with living benefits if you have a chronic illness or condition. You can qualify for this benefit if you are permanently unable to do at least 2 of the 6 activities of daily living, like bathing, dressing, and the other activities listed here. You may also qualify if you are cognitively impaired and need substantial supervision to help protect your health and safety, as you might be if you have a brain injury or Alzheimer's disease. Imagine having the living benefits of quality of life insurance to help offset huge financial costs, so your situation won't be such a burden to your family. As you might expect, the rider also covers terminal illness, a serious condition where death is reasonably expected within a relatively short period of time. You're probably already thinking about cost and wondering if you can afford this type of life insurance. Quality of life insurance is available as affordable term life insurance or as permanent universal life insurance, allowing you to choose coverage that best suits your individual needs. The cost for your particular policy can be tailored to your budget based on a number of factors, such as the products and benefits you choose, how much coverage you need, your age, and your health. Overall, though, quality of life insurance offers very affordable premiums, especially since it can address multiple needs with just one policy. You should refer to your quality of life insurance policy for details about qualifying events, and of course, your agent can answer any questions you may have. So now that you have a basic understanding of what an accelerated benefit rider is, let me explain how it may be used. The accelerated benefit riders cover critical, chronic, and terminal illnesses and conditions, and are automatically included at no cost to you. Any amount you receive is based on how severely an illness impacts your life expectancy. For instance, if a young woman in her 30s is diagnosed with stage 4 breast cancer, her life expectancy would likely be significantly shortened, and she may qualify to receive a substantial cash benefit. If a man in his 50s undergoes single coronary artery bypass surgery, his life expectancy may not be severely impacted, and he may receive a lesser amount of money than the 30-year-old woman based on the same sized policy. Every accelerated benefit rider claim is evaluated based on the specifics of how your individual health situation has changed. The choice to accept the company's offer is up to you. So that's what makes quality of life insurance so special. It truly is life insurance you don't have to die to use.
I think what impressed me even more so about the quality of life insurance policy was being able to take advantage of that policy if you became severely ill and had nowhere else to turn. You could turn to that policy and get money to help you to live, and a nice lump sum of money to help you to live. And I think that is pretty awesome, because otherwise your life insurance, any other life insurance policy, is just there and sitting there waiting for you to die. And quality life insurance is there to help you, to continue to live.
With quality of life insurance, we are changing the way Americans think about, purchase, and use life insurance, because you can use your benefits for anything you like. We don't put any restrictions on how you spend it. With quality of life insurance, it really is your money, your insurance, your choice. The best way to understand the concept of life insurance you don't have to die to use is to see it in action. So take some time to review some informative hypothetical examples that can help explain how quality of life insurance works.